Pangit mo ka. Tulis na ba na, mama?
Alas 7:19. Thank you for the time, Sak. No money na, Gab. No money na. Snack mo na lang, biskuit. Biskuit ang snack mo. Wala ako na sa...
Ano ito ng tagal mo na 100?
Babakal ka ba ako ka? Bakal mo ba yung sapato?
Ay, hindi na kahapon.
Kahapon? Nagbayad ba ako sa shopping?
Dagpira, ito na sa kape mo.
Pero yan, natag ko nga ni ka natin ilam. Kaya di man kasya sa akin.
Dagpira, ito na mo.
Pero ba ito, nalimutan ko. Ay, hindi na.
Ito na ako.
Okay. Good morning to you. Thank you for that. Sag hi. Thank you for 11 million people here. Hi, Arfan. Hi, thank you for the 20 people. Andy Sonomejo. Hi, Andy. Sonomejo. Hi, Tyler Robbins. Hello, Arfan. Hello. Where are you from, guys? Tyler is. I think you are from USA. You say that before. Sorry, name. Cheryl. I'm from. Okay, from Canada. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. I thought you're from. Sorry. Hi, Sir Tyler from Vancouver, Canada. Wow, from Canada. I'm from Suriname. Where is Suriname? Where is that country? Or maybe it's a city? Suriname. What? What is that? Andy, what do you mean? Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Next to Brazil. Okay. Nice to meet you, Sir Andy Sonamejo. Hi, Doc. Welcome back, Doc. Maybe you're busy, Doc. I'm from Iran. Thank you. Nagol. Nahagol. Thank you po, Nazgol. 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 You're so cute. Thank you. Do you know Iran? Yes, I know Iran. Kenny Tijo Krutar. Well, very complicated to pronounce it. Kenny. Jim Pasha. Hi, so beautiful lady. How are you today? I'm fine today. Jim Pasha. Jim Pasha. I am fine today. I'm good. Thank you for the 10 people. Thank you so much. I'm from Philippines, Jim Pasha. You, where are you from, Jim Pasha? Me, I'm from Philippines. From Tokyo, Japan. I want to go to Japan. I hope someday. I want to go there. Beautiful country, Japan. Thank you so much for watching. My wrinkles, my eye bugs. I thank you for the 8 people.
Hindi ka sa mga ginagawa niya. Layunin niyang hanapin at masakin ang aklat ng puso. Alang-alang sa aking kapayapaan at sa dakilang pagkakalikaan ng
Nilimutan ako.
From Tokyo.
ang pakay ng aking ama sa pagkuha ng mga panalig. Pagkatapos na ang buhay niyo, ay dapat ay magtitigil ako. Mag-isang mga yan. Bakit? Totoo ba ang sinabi nila? Ano? Pagkaliwanan ng kawinan mo ama sa mga pagkakas. Upang malaman niya ang tingin ng paningin mo ng pagkakas. Ano po ang inuwakas sa kabata na kung sa Pilipinas na yun ay ang anak na pangalan ni David Schimmel. Isinakot ko sa Shauchi upang samahan sila yung patungo kay Red. Inutusan niya rin ako magpagkampi ng itong maghahatid ng ulay yung patungo sa Shanwan at nagtungo sila sa templo ng Chani upang hanapin ang natatagong kayamanan ng paningin ng pagkakas.
Ano ba itong nadarama? O sige, pag-ibig na sige.
Ay, ulit, ano na kami? Wala ko nga niya. Ang bayag na ka. Ito pa nga niya.
Moderator, please. Triple Little. Hi, Triple Little. Hello po, ma'am. Good morning. Hi, Sir Chester Hexon. Good morning. Good evening to you, Sir Chester there. Kumusta? Buti na lang sobrang bilis nakalimutan. Buti ka pa. Buti ka pa, sobrang bilis mo lang akong nakalimutan. Buti ka pa ngayon ay nakahanap ka na ng iba. Alam mo bang sa puso ko ikaw nanatili. Buti ka pa, parang wala. Buti ka pa, sobrang bilis mo lang akong nakalimutan. Buti ka pa, ngayon ay nakahanap ka ng iba. Alam mo bang sa puso ko ikaw ay buti ka pa, parang wala na. Thank you sa 9 people. Sino yun?
Nagsuda kayo sa jeep. Nagkadali mga kanagkulad ako sa tubig. Sa ating ano. Digo, kayo ka. Atayang! Ayan na si Ayong. Good morning! Ano nagluwas? Galintura pa? Turan? Turan, tapos ang tubig sa...
Seryoso si Atayang ah. Atayang! Good morning, Atayang! Baba, parang mano pa. Good morning, hi! Hello! Good morning. Oh, yay! 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 Ay, mali pala. Wrong dayan! Wrong dayan! Ay, Borasios! Di yun na rin. Di na rin mali. Wow, wow. No piglets. No triplets. Oh, why you late, Tim? Where are you going? Late. Late reaction. Oh my god.
Pahimik na yan. Nagkakarapo. Nagkarapo naman ikaw. Kaya ano naman na. Ano na ko ilag na ng bahay. Tapos ano bata. Tao siya na. Ano may ayan?
Ang lahat ng pinaghirapan namin
Ay, kaya na. Kagabi, ito na naman ang ad sa di ka makakain, dalidan. Naiiyak na. Sabi ko nga, i-direct mo ko dahil siya ng gandaan. Sige, nag-ulpot lang. May magpunta, malayo ng saro.
Sobrang bilis mo lang akong nakalimutan. Hindi ko kapal. What is that? Pepperworks.
Ito na puti, mawala yan to.
Guys, hit the like. Thank you, team.
Oo, bago.
Thank you, my team. My love. Oh, yeah. There's only you in my life. There's only things that's right. Your first time. You're every breath that I take.
Tapos pag uli na ay madami. Saguro nga, giniwan din ito. Sabi ko lang, hindi rin papaluwas na. Ito na ano, ito na important lang. Pinabakal na. Analis sa talay, ito na kalaglag. Nagpira man ang kilo yan to. Dili ang dami na kilo. Ay, dito ito na go. Ako ba na yan? Tuloy yan, tuloy yan, no? Para diskalsal na sa unang bubay. Pero kan,
Cheryl, pay attention. If no one is gonna talk, we're gonna end the live. Chester and Tyler talk. Okay, sorry. Where? I didn't see. Guys, talk. No, I talk them. You're not here when I talk. You're late. Where are you going? I talk them. You're not. You're late to join your team. Oh my God. We're talk here. You are late to come here. I already answered him. I've been here. No, you're not. I already said hi. I already great sister. And the last is the triple little boy wishing. You're late. Oh my God. I talk here. Yes, the Chester and Tyler talk. Yes. Oh my God. Hi guys. Good morning. How are you? That's why I do something because no one talk here. Okay. I know, but now they are not talking. Yes, yes, they're not talking, but I already rate them. You're late. Oh my God. Yes, dog, not gog, not gog. I already talked them. You're late. Jim Pasha, something like that.
Pero duwa na lang ano sa
Hi, Alsuba, beautiful love. Hi, how are you? I need to pass this. I need to submit this documents file, the file, the Just tell me who is that girl who never can Okay, thank you. Oh my God. Is that girl who looks like me? Oh my God, where's my shoes? No. Where's my... Oh God. Thank you for the things that everyone. Oh yes. Selling what on the street, beautiful. Maybe I need to sell something. Hey, can you online selling. Selling what? Yes, some selling someone on the street. Maybe the fish. Okay, beautiful. I need to sell something to earn money. You beautiful love. Elsipal, thank you. Oh, good job, Elsipal. You speak English now. Good job. Great. Guys, watchers. No, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Tell me who's that girl in your hands? Who's that girl? Thank you po. Oh yes, beautiful love, beautiful life, life beautiful. Thank you guys. I need to end the live now. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all. Hope you see you again next live. Thank you po. Bye.